Shat Sri Akal everyone. Hello and welcome to History Video Ayal. Today we are taking you on a very special journey into the history of Rajasthan. We are here at the magnificent Lakshmangarh Fort, located in the Sikar district of Rajasthan, India. This is not just an old fort. It is a palace filled with history, bravery, architecture, stories, and memories of Rajasthan royal past. So, if you love Indian history, Rajasthan fort culture, and travel, stay with us until the end. And if you are watching us from the United States, Canada, the UK, or anywhere around the world, welcome to our channel. Last being our journey. Lakshmangarh Fort is located in the town of Lakshmangarh in Rajasthan, Sikar district. The fort stands on a rocky hill and is one of the most distinctive historical landmark of the Shekhawati region. It is located approximately 30 km from Sikar. The fort was built by Rao Raja Lakshman Singh of Sikar in the early 19th century. According to the official history of the fort, construction being in the 1805 and was the complete around 1807. The town of Lakshmangarh was also developed around this period was named after Rao Raja Lakshman Singh. Now let me tell you one of the most interesting stories connected with this fort. Before Lakshmangarh became the town we know today, this area was now as big a small village. According to local tradition, Rao Raja Lakshman Singh was once returning from Fatehpur. While resetting near the fourth foothill is one says remarkable signs. A wolf attacked a newborn lamb. But interesting of running away the mother sheep bravely fought fight wolf and proceeded in to live. Raja Lakshman Singh and his companions were deeply impressed by the across of the mothership. They considered this palace a Veer Bhumi, a land of the brave. According to this local legend, this inspiring incident became on the reason of choosing this location for the fort. Construction of the fort being in 1805, 18 1805. What make this fort especially interesting is the way it was built. The fort stood on a rocky hill using hung natural rocks as part of its foundation and structure. The official fort is describes the hill approximately 300 feet height. This boulder made use of the natural landscape instead of the simply building on fault around. This gave the fort a strong defense positivity and also created the special view of the squatting region. Unfortunately, when we reached the main entrance of Lakshmangarh Fort, we found that the gate was locked. The fort is now privately owned, so visitors are not allowed to enter freely. We are really wanted to take you inside and show you the beautiful architecture, room, old stature, and the historical view of the amazing fort. But because the gate was closed and we did not have permission to enter, we would not show you the inside of the fort. Sincerely apologies to the all viewer for that. However, we hope that throughout this video you are still able to the experience a little piece of the amazing history of Lakshmangarh Fort with us. If you enjoy this historical journey, please like this video and subscribe History Video Ayalki. Your support means a lot to us and to explore more beautiful and historical palace in India. And to all your friend watching from the United States and around the world, thank you so much for being a part of January. Please subscribe and stay connected with us for more India history, culture, travel, village. Thank you for watching History Video Ayal ki. Shat Sri Akal. God bless you all and see you in our next video.